Yo, 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 what up, YouTube reacts? It's your boy Daddy Easy here, ipod jailbreak hacker, otherwise known as only using me tomahawks. Some of you guys may know me as Easy, like I always say, to the black to the blue on my avatar on my YouTube channel. Yeah, buddy. So you can see what I have in front of me, guys. It is no expense. So I was really going to settle for the glorious pink Model O or the pink Model O minus, but I came across this and I'm like, you know what? Let me just finally test this thing out, see if it's worth it. If not, I'll just get the glorious Model O or the Model O minus in the pink. But we're gonna test this out. So normally I'll have a knife to unbox this, but because this look like it's been opened, I don't know if this is a return item, what. But we're just gonna take it out from the bottom part. I don't know if this is returned back to the store or what, but we got some skates. And just gonna pull this out a little. Yeah, because the way how this thing is, just slid out from the bottom with no problem. We got the menu, which really don't care. So here's the thing right here. It's just packaged like this. Like, I really don't know. So it's matte colored right here. Got the extra skates. Just looking at it real quick. Trying to see if it's been used or not. Because I actually got this from Walmart. It doesn't look like it's used. So it's actually smaller than my glorious Model O minus. It's actually smaller. Wow. But it does have the hump. Ooh. 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 My Model O minus is just way smaller. This ooh. Ooh. You know what? Ooh. You know what? This bump makes it feel really good. And I like that. So let me just do that a little, just spray. Ain't nothing but hand sanitizer. My own. It's rubbing alcohol mixed with hand sanitizer. So I'm actually liking this. Ooh. DPI on this thing is super fast. Jesus. Holy moly. Alright. Actually, this feels really good. It feels really good in the hand. Okay, there's the different DPIs. I actually like this fact how the DPI switches when you change it, and it shows you what DPI you actually on, compared to the Model O, the Glorious. The Glorious, when you change it, is at the bottom. I basically brought this for my own PlayStation 4, but I'm actually liking it. So what I'm gonna do, guys, I'm gonna test this thing out on my PS4 and see how it is, but I'm gonna actually test it out on PC also and see how it runs. Just looking at these RGBs for some reason, like, oh no, it's not. It's just the way how it's curved. So I'm actually like that. I actually do like it. So I'm gonna mess with this mouse a little. I'll come back to you guys and tell you how I like it. And yeah, this is the Cooler Master MM711. And I'll catch you guys later. Peace, deuces one, holla, and I'll catch you guys later.